Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is, yeah, you can see me. Okay, welcome home again, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Saturday, February 19th, 3:35 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. So let's check out what's going on. Bitcoin Daily View got more for you there. Valentine's Day sale is over, but 20% all the time with piece 20 over at hemppaste.com, or I should say radianthemppaste.com. You'll dig it, check it out. Interview with the creators. A great infomercial here for blockchain education. Definitely something you want to belong to if you're a crypto trader. And if you're a crypto trader and or especially traditional market trader, Trade Genius is a badass place to be. As always, there's a bunch of us always talking crap over at the Telegram channel for BitcoinDailyView.com. An irreverent bunch of memeing maniacs there who occasionally talk about crypto. All right. With that said, coin360.com, check it out. In general, is this thing even working? It's showing a day chart. In general, a mix of green and red in the market. Looking at the day right now, XRP is up 6% over the last 24 hours. Let's look at this on the just the past hour. I think might be more accurate. Okay, past hour, XRP still up a little bit, like 1%. A mix of green and red in the market. Interesting. So let's look at the market a little bit more clearly. Where's that one cool chart? Here it is. I love this one. Bitcoin, I should say livebitcoincharts.com. Looking here at the last 24 hours, you can see a mix of mostly red in the market. I'm not sure if Coin360 is exactly working with us today, but this last hour does look possible. So a mix of green and red last hour. The market's kind of crazy right now. Mostly red here, looking at coin at livebitcoincharts.com. XRP showing up here too, 5%. Anyway, for the last 24 hours, let's check out XRP as we roll along. It's one of the few players today. Anyway, here we go. BitcoinDailyView.com, Coin360, not looking too happy. That looks same. Sorry. Live Bitcoin charts looking good. Now here's the deal. This is a little bit crazy. Okay, I have never seen trading volume, spot trading volume, so low on Binance ever. I'm sure it probably has been, but I ain't seen it, and I've been watching for quite a while, probably like 2 years, at least I think. And 8.6 billion last 24 hours, down 38% spot trading volume. That's nuts. Okay, we're not over 3 billion on Coinbase. We're at 1.6 billion or 1.7 if you round it up, down 42%. All the major exchanges are kind of crappy. So with that said, boom, you know what that means. That's more dump than pump. Okay, when volume's that low, it gives the whales the perfect opportunity to seriously get their shorts created and filled. So also for derivatives on Binance, 30 billion, down 38%. We got no volume in the market. Be careful. This is definitely, and look at the 7-day graph here, poof, going down. I'm a Bitcoin true seeker. I imagine you are too. I love the crypto market. I know 2022 is going to be a great year for crypto and Bitcoin, but today, especially rolling into the weekend, it is Saturday. This is bad, crappy volume. So beware. We're probably going to see some lows in Bitcoin unless this turns around. So bears, perma bears, you're going to get your wish. We'll probably see some wicks that are rather astounding. So Bitcoin truth seekers, have your dream limit orders in, have those laddered in, and also do so for your shitcoin of choice, because you might just get your wish today. Okay, so with that said, rocking along, 1.7 billion over here at cryptometer.io for Bitcoin. Drop over the last 24 hours of 59%. Market buy orders down 60%. Market sell orders 58%. Woo! You know, the dump's coming. All right, looking at the I haven't been watching this today too much, but it is very, very sporadic. Bulls versus bears here, duking it out. You can see along here, when you see static like this, the top is shorts getting long, the bottom is longs getting long here. And then, of course, this is a bursty buy-sell market. This is insane. We got, and the Bulls and the Bears are really bare knuckle cage matching it. Anything goes. So definitely there's a war on in whale land. When you see this kind of static like here, that's usually when you see lots of little buys and sells, or really big buys, big longs and shorts getting wrecked. That's a big deal. So definitely whales are duking it out. I think they're taking advantage of this extremely low volume to make and well to manipulate. They're probably on their conference call right now. You sell, I'll buy. I'm shorting. Okay, you sell, etc. You dump your big market, sell in. Okay, I got my shorts in. Okay, who's got their longs in? They're playing the game, and just be certain that you play the same game they're playing and don't get wrecked, or just don't play the game at all. Would be my recommendation. All right, while the market's this crazy, unless you've got well, whatever, unless you really know what you're doing, or you're damn lucky, or I don't know, you want to get wrecked, whatever. This is crazy weather. Definitely a good place to put those miracle limit buy orders in. Definitely a great time. Ladder your miracle, dreams come true, buy orders in, because you might see some wicks fill those things. Make them limits, not markets, so they fill. Be on an exchange that has high volume, or at least the highest volume that you can be on for the coin you're looking for, because you're going to need it. You want to fill those wicks. Okay, 1.4 billion in trading volume on across the big exchanges for Bitcoin. That is purely crappy volume. All right, looking at shorts versus longs for Bitcoin on Binance: 67% long, 32% shorts. You know what? Longers on Binance, you're gonna probably get wrecked. Sorry to tell you. All right, for Ethereum, 66% long, 33% short. Those are great Illuminati numbers, but they probably are not going to help. So anyway, there's a long bias numbers wise for Bitcoin and Ethereum on Binance, longs versus shorts. Bias is definitely long, but I'm not hopping on Bybit and doing a friggin' 10x long on Bitcoin today. Anyway, Matt Landman, Spiro Protective Clothing, Spiro Gear. I'm going to put this, I will just put a link to this is my other podcast, and I'm just going to link to this right here. I'm going to put it in the show, in the live chat here, if you so desire. This was an amazing recent interview. I think you'll enjoy it. We talked about all kinds of crazy stuff, and it really is true. Our existence, Bitcoin True Seekers, is the revolution. If you're interested in some wild stuff and some EMF, basically radio frequency, protective stuff. If you want like a real tinfoil hat, there it is. Check it out. You will enjoy. I got one right here. Yeah, there you go. Because I don't want the Palladians to start stealing my thoughts. You know what I mean? Anyway, with that said, okay, here's the deal. I am not left-right kind of crazy person. I just want to be honest with you. I don't want to trigger anybody. But look, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin all caps. He's a good Twitter person. I know some people don't like Fox News. I just don't care. This is not about the source. I know many people are probably triggered. They're like, Tucker. I personally do not watch any of the mainstream media at all. This is not coming from any political bias whatsoever. But I just want to mention that it was on Tucker Carlson. I'm going to take this right now. I'm going to take this tweet, copy link to tweet, and for your benefit, I mean it. Watch this. I just put it in the live chat, and I will also put it over at the Bitcoin Daily View. Which I already have, but I'm going to put it again. I'm going to put the Twitter over in the Bitcoin Daily View trading chat. For heaven's sakes, please watch this. It's a big deal. Crazy stuff is happening in Canada, and do not kid yourself. Most likely there'll be transparency via the U.S. banks, and the what's getting locked up over there very well could here. I'm just a prediction. I'm just saying, I'm asking the question, could it happen? I feel it's going to happen. Not financial advice. I'm not, easy world of censorship out there. I'm just saying that watch this. This is important stuff. For heaven's sakes, this coming week, have some of your crypto on a hardware device. Get it off the exchanges. I wish I could find it. Where is it? I kind of screwed up. Let me see if I can find it in another window real quick here. And sorry that I'm a little bit discombobulated here. Sometimes I just don't think of things before I get rolling. There was the CEO of Kraken did an amazing tweet that I think should, yes, let me actually save this. And yeah, downloads. And sorry to hold you up. I want to move fast. I know you guys want to move fast. Let me actually just fire this up here. Downloads. Where is that? Is that it? I think this is it. No. One sec. Sorry, guys. We will get this rocking real quick. Here it is. Sorry. I should have already had this pulled up. Okay. This is a big deal. Check it out. This is I do believe, the CEO of Kraken, and he is mentioned here. When he's chatting with Tucker, they have him on here. Where is he at? Yeah, he's on here somewhere. There he is, CEO of Kraken. Check him out. And this is actually exactly what he was saying. It's possible Kraken will be put in a position where told to freeze assets by them without judicial consent. And yeah, we'll probably comply. And Jesse Powell, that was the question he was asked. And Jesse Powell, the guy he's talking to Tucker, said 100% yes, it will happen, and 100% yes, will be forced to comply. All right, and this is the friggin' CEO of Kraken, I do believe. So look, here's the thing. Or it's Kraken, right? I hope so. I'm hoping they're getting that right. I do believe so. That's the CEO. That's Kraken, right? Yeah, Kraken. He's the CEO of Kraken. Sorry. So guys, crazy stuff's going on. With the FUD going on, do not be surprised. There are bank runs in Canada because of what's happening in Canada. And now they're going after Bitcoin. Can they go after your ledger, your Trezor, your hardware device, like a software wallet on your phone? Be careful about that one there. I mean, a software wallet on your computer. There's places you can do your own diligence, do your own research. There's places you can protect your crypto, get a little bit off there. Also, do realize that USDC and USDT are centralized and can be, you can get screwed over by that. So anyway, we got super crazy low volume spot trading pairs on Binance. We have got drastically low volume for Bitcoin right now. Let me fire up a Bitcoin chart. That would not hurt for me to do. Where'd it go? I thought I had one. But I do. There we go. Bitcoin. All right. So, and sorry if I'm fudding you. Basically, look, I just have a feeling. Watch out, if people get panicky, because there are bank runs in Canada. If people get panicky here, depending on, especially with some of the exec orders they want to, well, basically, like, I won't belabor it. You guys, you're either up on this stuff or you're not. Be careful. This is a good time, a good reason to have your hardware wallet. If you're trading on exchanges, have your dough over there, have your crypto over there. Be trading. That's cool, but this is time to tell grandma to get her Bitcoin that she's been dollar cost averaging for the last 9 years off of Coinbase, okay? Because she may have made the wrong social media comment, you know what I'm saying? Or donated to the wrong political campaign. Stuff's getting crazy, all right? So protect yourself, all right? Now, with that said, Bitcoin versus USDT, we have this upper channel here. As you can see, we kind of dumped out of it, got back in it. Well, we are in no man's land. We dumped again. The volume is crappy. There's a lot of FUD. I think the Canada stuff's affecting this. The Ukrainian stuff is affecting this. And definitely, I'm a little bit worried about bank runs happening in the U.S. also this coming week. And so like I'm saying, do what you need to do to protect yourself. But right now, with the current global craziness and maybe that totalitarianism over in Canada coming down here to the U.S., we've been post-law and post-constitution for quite a while, if you hadn't noticed. So with that said, watch yourself, protect your crypto this next week, especially with the current administration. Uh, is it next week, the week after, or soon? They're going to be like looking at, more regulation. Possibly they're going to try to push it by exec order, or they're going to be like pushing legislation, trying to get that in. Anyway, not to be a doomsayer, I usually am not. Just for heaven's sakes, protect yourself, because even if you've done nothing wrong and there's a bank run, what if you go to the ATM and your bank is shutting off transactions because you can't, I can't, whatever, good time to have like a crypto.com card, or gosh, even a Coinbase one, or like FTX has one, where you can turn your crypto into a fiat. I kind of like the wrong one. I kind of like this. I like where is it at? Bitcoin Daily View. A great time to have a crypto.com card. One of the things I like about it is you can just send some Bitcoin over there, or Ethereum over there, or a stable coin. And if you're and whenever you want, you can just say like top up, and you can put however much of that into the card. It becomes basically USD, and you can use it. I think that might be a good way of handling a good way of dealing with the situation if you were if we had crazy bank runs and stuff like that. And Coinbase does have a card you can get to. Maybe something to look into. Start to diversify how you can get to your money. Just something to think about. What if your bank wasn't working this coming week because people got freaked out and had bank runs because maybe there was a feeling that there might be transparency into U.S. bank accounts, people who had donated to the freedom fight up there in or however you may see it, freedom fighter or whatever, the stuff going on in Canada. Anyway, guys, this one was weird, and sorry to be strange, and sorry to be kind of fuddy, but for heaven's sakes, do protect yourself. The world's crazy right now. Laziness, ego, weakness, and immediate gratification will all try to pull you off the path every day. Jocko Willink, he said that. And Kill Bill's a badass movie. So with that said, Bitcoin truth seekers, protect your Bitcoin. Get some on a hardware wallet, for heaven's sakes. These next 2 weeks might be crazy, as the great question will be answered. Are the U.S. banks going to basically become transparent to the totalitarianism that's happening up in Canada, freezing bank accounts because you were a bad person because you donated to a cause that you believed in, and, well, that hurt the globalists' feelings. So with that said, truth seekers, I'll see you soon. Let's see how this week sets up. Sunday is going to be interesting. Tonight's going to be interesting. Like I say, get your miracle dream limit orders in, because they very, very well might fill, hopefully on a wick, and not as price action plummets past them. Take care.